Hi everyone, today we're going to be reviewing the Hoover Emerge Pet cordless vacuum. We're going to be testing the machine on carpet and on hard floors and seeing how well it performs. So let's get started. So first we're going to test the machine on this rug covered in kitty litter. So low power. Try high power. It doesn't seem to be doing a very good job. As you can see, it's spitting out a lot of dirt. High power doesn't really seem to make any difference. You can see what I mean right here. Let's zoom the camera in. See what I mean? 2, 3, 4, 5. So it didn't do a very good job at that, as you saw, like at all. Actually, it did pretty bad. So, yeah, didn't do a particularly good job. Let's try it on some other things. All right, so now we have goldfish, crushed crackers, and some grits that we're gonna use. We're gonna use it on high power. Did a decent job. Decent job with that. Definitely did a better job with this. Let me get it on. It left quite a bit of this fine dust though. There is a few small pieces of that, but overall, much better. But there is quite a bit of the cream or the grits left. As you can see. Grab another machine real quick and clean this up. Let's see how much is left. The Hoover left quite a bit in the carpet. All right, let's test it on pet hair. All right, so we have some pet hair right here. We're gonna see how well it picks it up and how much gets tangled in the brush roll. High power again. Did a pretty decent job. You can see it picked it up, but it also got quite a bit of pet hair tangled in the brush roll. Eventually, this would get a lot worse because this is not an anti-tangle brush roll. You see there's already quite a bit stuck, and that wasn't that much pet hair. If you're picking up pet hair a lot, this is gonna get clogged up. Let's test it on hard floors. All right, so we have the same debris again. We got the goldfish, we got the cracker crumbs and the cream of wheat, the grits. Let's try it out. We go for low because this is hard floors. Pretty good job there. pretty good job there. Pretty good job there. Much better on hard floors. Much better on hard floors. As you can see. All right, so next is the attachments, and then let's finish up. So the final test is going to be this tool right here on the stairs with some pet hair. Did a pretty good job, but again, it does have hair stuck on it. Not as much. It did a pretty decent job, but if you were having longer hair, that was some pretty short pet hair. If you had longer pet hair, again, it's not anti-tangle, so eventually it would clog up, but it did a pretty good job, I'll give it that. Pretty good job. So let's do the conclusion. So overall, the Hoover Emerge Pet is an okay vacuum. It didn't really do that great at anything. It did pretty good at hard floors, but its carpet performance just isn't that great. It doesn't have a HEPA filter. It doesn't have anti-tangle. It doesn't have a sealed system, and it's kind of expensive. So honestly, I can't really recommend this Hoover. There's better options out there. So I hope you enjoyed this video of the Hoover Emerge, and I'll see you next time.